Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to get teenage filter on TikTok. So let's start. Okay, so first let's go ahead and open up TikTok in here. And what you want to do is tap on the search icon right here. And we're going to search for teenage filter effect. Okay, so once it's loaded, you can tap on a video that uses this filter. Let's say, for example, this first one in here. And what you can do is tap on this one that says teenage look. So this will be the name of the filter. So let's tap on this one. And it is going to open up the filter. Now what you want to do is tap on use this effect. All right, so when you tap on this one, it is going to open up your camera and you can use this TikTok filter. All right, so that would be all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.